Again, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Centre for a quick check of your Tuesday night's weather conditions. But let's start off by taking a look at what's happened so far today. In a weak low along the west coast has been pushing in a bit of fog over that area, including around Alexander Bay. And it's become a partly cloudy day for some parts of the interior, in particular over the high-lying parts of South Africa. Not much in the way of thunder activity, but we have seen a couple of small storms popping up around the Sutherland area and down into the Western Cape. For tonight, that fog will continue moving down the western coastline, not quite reaching Langebaan as it's going to stay windy in that area overnight. Partly cloudy for much of the interior into this evening, and that's going to help to trap in some of the daytime heat, resulting in a warmer night, especially for the central parts. Now let's take a look ahead to tomorrow, and it's going to be a foggy start to the day over parts of the southern coastline. That will improve as the morning goes on. A cooler day expected for the northern and western Cape after today's very high temperatures in that area, and by tomorrow afternoon, showers and thunder showers will start popping up over the far eastern parts of the country. We could also see some thunder showers for Gauteng as well as in Mpumalanga. For tonight, just isolated thunder showers around the Drakensberg areas of southern KwaZulu-Natal and into the Eastern Cape. Very isolated thunder showers for the southern Karoo. This entire area will see clearance taking place as the night goes on. No further rainfall expected across South Africa by late evening. Windstream animation indicating how southeasterly winds are going to be picking up along the southwestern coastline tonight for the peninsula as well as towards the Langebaan area. And as we head into Wednesday, a low pressure system over the interior is going to be deepening. That's going to result in moderate to fresh winds developing from the Northern Cape through the northwest and the Free State, as well as for Gauteng and even onto parts of the Mpumalanga Highveld. It'll be a gusty day on Wednesday for those areas. Minimum temperatures overnight, and it's going to be quite a bit warmer through the central parts. 18 for Kimberley and 15 for Bloemfontein. Mid-teens for almost all of South Africa, but a very warm night along the eastern coastline. Durban dropping down to 20. Temperatures will be rising dramatically into the central parts of South Africa for your Wednesday afternoon. Bloemfontein at 35 degrees. East London reaches a high of 25 along the southern coastline of South Africa. Much cooler for those areas, and a cooler day as well towards the west coast. Cape Town at 24 and Vredendal 29 after today's very high temperatures in that area. A look ahead for Pretoria in the 5-day forecast, and it's going to be a very hot rest of this work week. Friday getting to 35 degrees, a few isolated thunder showers settling in, but by Saturday lots of cloud and a better chance for rain in the area. Drops the temperature with a high of 26. Sunday for the meantime looking dry and warm at 28. On Thursday, we're expecting it to be cool and wet for the south coast of the country. Port Elizabeth reaching a high of only 20 degrees. And by Friday, thunder showers continue over Gauteng, where it's going to be very hot, and it's going to be a hot and dry day for the western interior. It's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.